Hi Chris and Hella. Uh, along with this 3-month SEO plan, I'm giving you this video context so that it is more convenient for you to get the whole plan. So yeah, let's start. So after signing the NDAs and the contract paper and clearing the prepayment, we'll be start our week where we're gonna start with the onboarding systems and set up the local SEO setup that we're gonna start with. Basically onboarding system, and there will be a dashboard where you're gonna get all the work sheet and as well the work plan, and the strategic call will be based on our strategy by targeting the type of service that we're gonna target, as well the targeted location and some other stuff as well. So that will be a strategic call for us to get or improve the whole plan next. Yeah, so I'll be maintaining a dashboard like this, if I can show you correct way, where all the task will be there, and I will also create a task tracker like this one. You can see on your screen. I'm sorry. Hold on a second. All right. So I will be giving you a task tracker like this, where every implementation I will be ask your approval first, and then we'll implement everything. So with the plan, I'm really sorry. So with the plan, I will be starting with the onboarding systems and improve the onboarding system as well, and then the keyword research that we're gonna do. And keyword research, something I want to give you a sneak peek. So we'll be going through a lot of junk data or a lot of keyword after analysis. Keyword research is something which will take a time, because based on this research we're gonna target the whole campaign of this 3-month plan, right? So this sort of the main word that we're targeting, that people are gonna search related to these terms, and we're gonna found our website by these terms. So this is very important part of the project. So it will be taking a while, and after junking through all those data, we'll be giving you a set of focus keyword. Just give me let me show you a focus proposed keyword, or yeah. So we'll be creating a proposed keyword based on every URL that we're going to target for this set of campaign, and where our first target will be low competitive keyword, as I told you earlier conversation, that how low competitive keyword gonna the best thing to target on this current situation of the website. So yeah, we'll be this proposed keyword, then we'll conducting a call as well with you to finalize this keyword, and we'll check if something we missing, which you can also give provide some things to add, and also if any irrelevant thing that we're proposing or not. So this sort of thing we'll be discussing on that call. Yeah, and then we're gonna improve the web architecture. And what I mean by that, like currently we have in the website only main categories, right? So I don't really want to change these categories currently. So the plan is like to implement subcategories as services. For example, like on our strategic call, we'll be discussing the other type of services or related type of psychological services that we can target, and we're gonna inject those services along with the web page content, and we'll be creating the subcategories. All right, and here I want to explain one more thing that I was unable to explain during our call. So the confusion maybe was between the web content and the blog content. So there are two type of content for this type of service website, where the surface pages or the category page has one tone of content, and in blog pages there are another tone of content which we call informational tone, and in service pages we call it transactional tone, and in the way of article or in the way of conveying the article. So this is what we need to improve in the web content. And yeah, in main categories also I will propose you after keyword research which sort of keyword we can inject. I will propose after keyword research. Yeah, so this thing, after that we're gonna do the initial technical audit, and there are bunch of list for technical audit in the advanced level, but in initial stage what sort of thing is currently blocking our crawler to crawl. So we're gonna improve that in initial stage so that the content or whatever we are doing is gonna be recognized by the crawler. And we'll be optimizing the robot.txt and sitemap, things like this in this fast state of technical audit and improvement. Later in advanced step we're gonna contact all the there are hundreds of points of list to do in technical audit thing, which is a great part for our campaign. And one thing I want to mention, this plan is not very concise. Like what I mean by that, like for example, sometimes keyword research take 2 weeks, and maybe competitor research, which is I put it in week 2 task, which can be done in quick succession of time. So the time can be here and there, but the main plan will be this. Yeah, so just wanted to include this. In the week 2 we're gonna start with the competitor analysis and target the focus URL. Like for this particular set of time we're gonna target a set of services as URL. Like for example we're gonna target 10 set of services for this campaign, and later we can improve that as well. But for focus URL, so that we get more convenient result in quick succession of time by targeting a set of services at once. Yeah, and competitor research is also a thing which we do to reverse engineering the process from the competitor, which will be look like this. Let me just give you a sneak peek of competitor overview, where we're gonna list down all the competitor, topmost 5 competitor, and then how they are doing in terms of search, where the content gap and the keyword gapping, everything, and also the age of the services. Sometimes it is also depend based on the authority. In Google, one site is made in 2010 and another site is made in 2015. Obviously the authoritiveness for 2010 site is much better, and I checked our site is much older in domain terms, which is a great thing for SEO. Yeah, then I will be conducting in week 3 and 4 the on-page optimization, which is basically updating the meta title and headers and stuff like this one. Also setting the local SEO, like the GMB optimization. We'll be conducting this, which is an important part for us, because many of our client will be searching locally. So yeah, we'll be doing that. And in month 2 the focus will be completely on content development and advanced technical SEO part, which I don't really think it's much needed right now to elaborate, but if you want a elaboration of each task, I'm gonna give you that as well. But right now we can let's continue with month 1. And one thing I want to mention, that every month there will be 2 type of reports, which one will be in the bi-weekly we're gonna get, where we're gonna give you all the task or all the things that we implemented, and by the end of the month you will get another report that will be conducting with data, or based on the data, like what sort of improvement our work taking to the website. So yeah, and this thing I want to mention. So two type of report you're gonna get in every month. And month 3 there will be completely on off page, like the gaining the backlinks and stuff like that. And also continuing the optimization as well. So here if you check, you're gonna get the whole plan. So I will be asking you to check the plan, and it is very concise plan right now, but we will always try to improve it based on the scenarios we are facing for the campaign. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it actually, to elaborate few things, and looking forward for the signing the contract and NDAs, and then we can start the project. Yeah, thank you for watching, and get back to me. Thank you.